we need about lemons, 2 pieces of paper and 2 earbuds.
Take a lemon and squeeze the juice in the bag.
Now we take the earbud and write a secret message with the lemon juice.
Now both of you write your message.
Okay.
Done.
Done?
Now we dry our papers with this.
So, have your messages almost dried out?
Mine is already dry.
Aryan, yours?
My one mostly.
Almost dried out, right?
Yes.
Now, exchange your messages.
No, I don't want to exchange.
Okay, exchange your messages. Now, let's see if we can find out what each other's messages are. Now, we take a candle and light it up, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's run the paper lightly over the candle, okay? Without touching it. So, Adhrit, what is Aryan's secret message?
INDY. No, India.
Can you turn it around and show?
Yeah.
Nice. And Aryan, what is Adhrit's secret message?
A, B, C, Y.
A got lost, but we were able to figure out. Adhrit, what is ABCYA?
It is a code I used to play computer games in my school after my work.
Now let's exhaust the fire.
Yeah.
Very good. So, now tell me, why do you think the message turned brown?
The message turned brown because the lemon juice has carbon inside.
Yeah.
They get stuck into the paper.
Correct.
Then when the fire, you put the fire, all that carbon mixes into the oxygen.
Yes.
Called oxidation.
Yes, this process is called oxidation. Okay, now can you tell me what happens when apples are left alone outside?
Oh yeah, it turns brown because oxygen mixes with it.
Yes, this process is also called as?
Oxidation.
So, oxidation is a process when anything mixes with oxygen, right?
Yes.
This happens with apples when it's left open and avocados when they're left open. And also with anything that contains carbon. So, did you enjoy the experiment?
Yes.
Yes. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.